rap is a gangster and shout out to people. The match at the flow. The match and a vessel was deep on the bimbo. The track and the dingo, the song with Tigo. Flow so sick, you got this on a biso. Each of them ever thought on an anchor. Dial number, the dial number. Dingo beyond 10, the code on a halo. Penny holy water and the code.
Yeah, what up? This is 30 Cent, one of the biggest producer in Venda. So we are here trying to cook this small boy, trying to refurbish him and make him a fine diamond. A diamond that we can able to sell and make more jewelry. So Jack Bunny, what's up?
Sure, my man.
What's poppin'? Oh yeah.
Know it, man.
Oh yeah. What's your name, son?
Jack Bunny, Tianda Nitianda.
Tianda Nitianda. Is it like your name and the surname at the same time?
Yeah.
Is it Tianda Nitianda?
Tianda Nitianda. You know it.
What it is? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Jack Bunny?
Yeah.
Tell me, what's your name, Jack Bunny?
Tianda.
Uh-huh.
That's my name.
Tianda.
My surname is Tianda.
Tianda Nitianda.
Yeah.
You dig that? You dig, you love that as a small boy in Venda. We are here in Venda doing this thing. As you know, in Venda, you cannot do anything without 30 Cent. Without 30 Cent, you just know that you're not going in no way. So, you know, I'm trying to push Jack Bunny to be one of the diamond in Venda. As you know, Venda, we're still struggling, try to make a thing. We try to make a thing in Venda, man. We try to make something out of nothing in Venda. So we don't have anything in Venda for now. But right now, 30 Cent is here. Is one of the biggest producers in South Africa. So we're gonna make sure that Jack Bunny is out there hitting your waves. Jack Bunny, can you say something and tell all these niggas?
Yeah, I mean, we're still pushing, man.
Yeah.
We're coming there.
Yeah, Jack Bunny, we coming with the future. This is the beginning of our forever. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, Jack Bunny, let's hit all these niggas with something new, something sizzling. You dig? Kill them with the rhyme, man. Kill them with the rhymes. Kill these niggas with rhymes, man. Come on, let's
Okay.
get him. Get him, Jack Bunny. No, get this nigga. Let's go.
Welcome to the Rapanoli Master. Welcome to the Rapanoli Master. Welcome to Facebook Younger. Collabo Peach Jadara. Doba Ganamba the manager. Slow jam the end of manager. Oh, Pukana Zoteni Ambada. Time is money younger at the door. Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's what it is. That's what we're trying to bring in Venda. A small boy, man. I mean, come on, man. Stop hating, man. He's still young, man. He doesn't like adibichito mutu. Come on, please. But aricho venga. Ngudingwane chichitu. Rani dibo zornia venga nena zimbiru zimwebo. Todo the goodies abo udo the visa kamuye wo discourage, man. Come on, this is something. This is a blessing from Venda. You dig what I'm saying? So, yes, let's make sure that we support this boy. I'll be behind this boy until the day I die. You get what I'm saying? So we'll make sure that this music thing is gonna work in Venda. As long as 30 is alive, me and Jack Bunny, we're gonna kill this thing. Let's hit them with the ESCOM stuff so to show them that we are the one controlling all this low shading. Yeah. Let's do it. Kill him!
Nikandi muchini ndi controller electricity. Rana hey game. Kumba hip hop was a business. Bitinga chugwisa lyrically I am horrific. Ningambi jarwab god vamra pandito connector. Pancho bomu rapanda ba bless so warabera. Niga ame money maker zakandi talk like every time. Wanna rap zaka iba ichiko jena. Rana electricity vamra pandia bacha. Ndava visera zigani ndava sumanda ba blower. Shita one time ati pedzina chipinga. Ati 80s wa utamba ndichi Zandi Kopira, controller hip hop, I'm behind all the system. Nigandi Chifuna, I can shut down the system. Yeah.
I can shut down the system. Yeah. I can shut down the system, homie. Yeah. We ESCOM, nigga. So yeah, Jack Bunny. So I mean, nikoto dorumi nikatifene zanu kabana bonoringana na ini uri. Just say something, because na ndikare ndo begwa so chakumbura so zaka. So danu babuza something.
Zata zia kona ze and ari support the local music ido.
Yeah. As long as you've got what?
Jack Bunny, 30 Cent. You know it.
30 Cent. You know, that's I mean, that's the name in the game. Without rolling with 30, you're not doing nothing. You know what I mean? So currently it's not 30 Cent until you see 30 Cent in your life, you should know that you're doing something. You know that this thing is popping. You get what I'm saying? So without 30 Cent divana zori, nikadivana bufogori, nikadinya gofumbudziwa. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the reason why we are polishing this diamond like Jack Bunny. This is a diamond, homie. This is a jewelry. We're still gonna make this money. Yeah. Let's get out of here. Jack Bunny, I think now it's time to leave to go make some cash. Let's
private jet is waiting.
Yeah, private jet is waiting, man. Let's roll. Let's make money.
Yeah. Jack Bunny. Yeah. The Fundichi Janandi Jack Bunny Ninsadze. This time the Ruwana record that's the track. Hippoprito mixanga Bambi Rina Pene. Oterichi Jana Bako Fodana Zinepe. Perfuma Kazi show. Roranga ya blend is swagge. Kaspati Richi Swika Bako Vurana Magete. Rima VIP. Zangwari wana kakepe. Notiza Mupako Rata Renganga Chere de. Zaka Deto Dara Ridzi Waranga Mabege. It's better every day, yeah. Yeah, Bambo Nandina Teti Bak Nyaza, Ndawa Reda Freestyle, yeah, and Daba Daza, Nachila Nawo Agent Rico Rafanta, Atinwi Harwa and the foot to teach Dagwa, Ka Facebook, Friend Kazadara, Ka SH Meg, Ndawa Nava Unwara Ufi Bambrapando Bapancha, the 40 was Nepes Injim Mapanda, Bambuzisa, Zinanda and the Fitianda, Dani Panchaninga, Vizana Mahata. Chaya na dovanda wadaza Chaya na dovanda wadaza yi na dovanda wadaza na ziswaga na dovanda wadaza yi.
Oh yeah. That was cool.
Jack Bunny yendi kubuye koni dazanga zibomo tanda kamikuro zani blow na miromo chila na ma DJ kwamba James Block nipika hip hop bomu rapa ni mokoko kula aina chitu huko remera as block Jack Bunny achi rapa hu engezi wa volume wachimbona ndiko chimbira wayata the photo ame venda web doctor ufana na bomo rapa vanandara ngauri ndizi hobo rapa vanandara release flopo rap yabo ayiseri aina passporto. Yeah.
Yeah, you not traveling, nigga? Yeah, we got a gun here. Where's the gun? So if you mess with us, we're gonna shoot you, nigga. Yeah, Bambre Baba na beefy, yeah.
Yeah. I'm a freestyling madara, Bombrapa ko safara, finding the coquetter, Ombrapa chimbona bari bunny uko hustle. Rapa with the game mara netiko tamboma, punch zoba vunda magona, boko uguadama, Pichitobanga dena lyrics in the Zitaba, Shara Zanga Mikey Zamba, Ura Zaba track. Never Sadupanya Gum future track. In fact, I'm the dopest, Wambi Zanga like Jack. Abakonu Rapaba Funasa the swag, punchline is toba hard drive, Sada the first cap. Those are my ingredients. Na egg and a pen, chila mura dane, na bomo limited. Nigga with the bosses, Pom Entertainment. Yeah. Jack Bunny. Yeah. Ndifi Jack Bunny and the Veni and Hispani. Fara pump gani koni tuncha kazitami. Ndoni ronga line, dan fazisanga roimi. This is the first time in you with this against the bounty. Hey, asigemo, chuta womre, pasa kamera ya Kena. Nigga, I'm so fast, niba jena nga tempo. Kaya was niba deranga dizzy flow. Salam alaikum.
My brother, assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, salam alaikum. Shumara, popa na biko. Kushizo, madizo, my nigga. Pare nizitu magenge avito. Pare nizitu magenge avito. Pare nandi krisunga ndo fandi.